Experiencing trouble sending or receiving picture messages on your US mobile device? You're not alone. MMS relies on cellular data and specific carrier settings to transmit multimedia. Ensure you have a stable cellular data connection. Wi-Fi won't work for MMS. Check your APN settings from your carrier's website. Incorrect settings, especially after OS updates like Android 15 or iOS 18, are a frequent cause of MMS failures. Try basic troubleshooting steps. If problems persist, check your carrier's status page for any reported outages. If your carrier has launched an AI-powered diagnostic feature, this is a great time to utilize it. It's also helpful to keep in mind, MMS is often a fallback when RCS fails to send. The long-term solution to MMS headaches is the shift towards Rich Communication Services, or RCS. Major U.S. carriers are actively rolling out RCS as the default messaging protocol, offering improved reliability, high-quality media sharing, and features like read receipts and typing indicators. As of 2025, RCS handles a significant portion of mobile messaging traffic in the U.S., and this trend is accelerating. While MMS is still needed as a fallback, RCS offers much better features like unlimited character limits and interactive buttons. The messaging landscape has evolved through various standards, with RCS building on protocols from organizations like 3GPP and GSMA to create a more reliable system. If you're still experiencing MMS issues, enabling RCS in your messaging app, such as Google Messages or Samsung Messages, is highly recommended. Check your settings to turn on RCS chats and features like read receipts. Carriers are investing in infrastructure like 5G and partnerships with satellite messaging services to ensure seamless connectivity even in remote areas. This network architecture supports reliable RCS messaging. While privacy concerns surrounding RCS exist, such as data sharing with Google or Apple, enhanced encryption standards are being developed to address these. RCS messages are securely encrypted. Ultimately, the move to RCS promises a future with fewer messaging frustrations and a more reliable multimedia experience. MMS is expected to become obsolete by 2030, and educational campaigns from carriers will help users transition smoothly.